good morning from Lucy, and welcome to Talk Cinema, the programme about the cinema. Here in the studio is Sanjeev Gupta, our cinema expert. Hello Sanjeev, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks, and good morning to all our viewers.
OK, Sanjeev, what are you talking about today?
Well, about a great Hollywood star, George Clooney.
George Clooney?
Yes, George Clooney. Are you a fan, Lucy?
Yes, of course I am.
Well, George Clooney is very good looking. He has many fans. Many young women are his fans, like you, Lucy.
Yes, I'm a George Clooney fan. He's very handsome. Well, Sanjeev, where is George Clooney from?
He's from Kentucky in the USA.
And how old is he?
He's 45.
Is he only an actor?
No, he's an actor, a film director, and a screenwriter.
An actor, a film director, and a screenwriter. He's a very interesting man.
Yes, he is. And he's very rich, too.
Is he?
Yes, he is. He has 2 villas on Lake Como in Italy and a small house in Lima in Peru.
So what are his interests?
His main interest is politics. He's a Democrat with liberal ideas.
Like me. And his hobbies?
His hobbies are basketball and motorbikes.
Really? He's a very interesting man. Now, another question.
Yes?
Is he married?
No, he isn't. He's divorced.
So, he isn't married, he's single, and he's rich.
Yes, and remember, he's an actor, a film director, and a screenwriter. That's George Clooney, a great Hollywood star.
Well, thank you, Sanjeev.
You're welcome. And goodbye to everyone.
And goodbye from me, Lucy Ross. OK, now let's have a look at some of the vocabulary Sanjeev and I just used to talk about cinema. First of all, in American English, the word movies means films. A movie is a film, and the movies means the cinema. Let's go to the movies is an invitation to go to the cinema. When we talk about cinema, the word star means a famous actor who plays principal roles in films. Star is also a verb. It means to play a role in a film. George Clooney stars in many films. We all know what an actor is. Someone like George Clooney who plays a role in a film. But what about Julia Roberts? She's an actress. An actor is a man and an actress is a woman. The person who directs a film, like Steven Spielberg, is called a film director. And the person who writes a film is called a screenwriter. George Clooney writes films, so he's a screenwriter. He directs films, so he's a film director. And he stars in films, so he's also an actor. Notice how we always use the article a or an before a profession. We never say he's film director, we say he's a film director. Well, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the programme. I certainly enjoyed talking about George. Bye, and see you next time.